Hey everyone! If we are currently job hunting or open to new career opportunities, LinkedIn has a helpful feature called the Open to Work badge. This feature lets employers know that we are actively looking for a job or open to new roles. If we are not sure how to turn it on or how it works, don't worry. We will show you how to enable the Open to Work feature on LinkedIn. This can really help in our job search. Turning on the Open to Work feature on LinkedIn increases our visibility to recruiters and hiring managers. When this feature is enabled, we can specify the roles we are interested in, our preferred locations, if we want remote work, and our availability. LinkedIn uses this information to match us with relevant job opportunities. We can also choose if only recruiters see that we are open to work, or if everyone on LinkedIn can see the green Open to Work badge on our profile photo. This feature helps attract the right opportunities, saves time in our job search, and shows that we are serious about finding our next career move. Now let's go through the steps together in a simple way, so even if we are new, we can follow along. First, open your browser, then go to linkedin.com. Once we are on linkedin.com, log in to your account. After logging in, we will see our homepage. To set the Open to Work mode, go to our profile and click the mini logo of our profile picture. Click the main drop-down and view our profile. Here, we will see the Open To option. Click this, then click Finding a New Job. Fill in the job titles and location types we are interested in. We can also add more locations. We can select either Start Immediately or I am flexible. Choose the type of work we want: full-time, part-time, contract, internship, or temporary. We can also choose if we want to be seen by recruiters only or by all LinkedIn members. Once we are done, click Save. Next, we will see the button to update settings, or we can click No Thanks. Now we can see the Open to Work badge. We are now set, and all LinkedIn members can see that we are open to work. This is how we turn on the Open to Work feature on LinkedIn. It is a simple step that can really improve our chances of being noticed by recruiters and employers. Make sure our profile is updated and professional before enabling it, so we make a strong first impression.